Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a dental cartridge and your dental needle, how to put them in your dental syringe. I know it's a very basic one, but like dental students or dental assistants or dental nurses who try to assemble this for the first time, I know that you need an assistance. Okay, so I'll show you how. So this is your dental syringe. Okay, the dental syringe comes in different styles, different types, but this is what's available, so I'll show you in this one here. Okay, I'm sure it's a different kinds of syringes, but it's the same principle. Okay, so this is your dental cartridge. The dental cartridge has a different parts. Okay, so you will know. So this part here, the rubber thing there, that is your plunger, and this one here is your cylinder. It's called a cylinder. And this one is the neck, and that part there, that little rubber there that you can see, is called a rubber diaphragm. Okay, right, so if you will assemble this in your dental cartridge, the first thing that goes in this part of the syringe is the diaphragm of the cartridge should be towards the tip there. Okay, how are you going to put this cartridge inside the syringe? So if you can see this one here, this one you can pull this up. Okay, so if you can see, if I'm pulling this handle, you can see this one here, it's also coming up. This is to make it easier for you to slide your cartridge into the syringe. If you won't pull the handle, see, your cartridge won't fit, so you need to pull this handle up like that. There you go. How easy is that? All right, how are you going to put your needle? So your needle should be new. All you need to do is twist this one. This is the cap. So if you can see, you have different kinds of, or different sizes of dental needles as well. There's a short and a long needle. So it all depends on your clinician, or if you're a dental student, whatever size of needle you are using. So how to open this dental needle, you just twist this one here. Look. There you go. And then pull. You can see that part of this needle. Don't remove this lid here, okay? Because this will help you in threading the needle into the syringe. So this will go inside the diaphragm. All right. So if you just slip this in there, you go. And when this is in, just push like that, and then you just twist. Until it stops. Okay. All right, so that's all done. There you go. Please don't lose this cap here. In order for you not to lose it, just put it here on the tip. Okay, and your clinician, or if you're a dental student, you just pull this out to expose your needle. Okay, there you go. And how to put this needle back inside the cap. It's not very safe to be putting it this way, especially if it's already been used. So all you do is put it down, try and put your needle in, and then hold, and then push. Okay, that's the way how to put a lid back. So there you go. That's how to load your cartridge and your needle in your dental syringe. Okay, so again, if you learned something, please smash the like button, and I shall see you again next time.